wasting your time and money every day by importing data into your database? Huh? Is that you? Is this you? Hour after hour, all day wasting your time, throwing your money out the window. What are you in business for? I thought you were here to make money. Hey guys, all kidding aside, if you're not automating some of these redundant tasks, you're wasting money. You're throwing money out the window and just wasting your time. We're an IT company, and this really has a lot to do with us as well in the way we conduct our business daily. For example, yes, we are a managed service provider. We do provide IT support for companies, for small businesses in South Florida, but we also do work for homeowners. One of the ways we do work for homeowners is through a company called Home Advisor. You may have heard of them. Actually, they're not even going by Home Advisor anymore. They're part of Angie Ads. Now, Angie Ads sends us data every day. People that contact them that are looking for someone to take care of a hacked computer, a virus-infected computer, or do an upgrade or something in their home. They send us these names of people that are interested. We get their name, address, their phone number, and what we do is we contact them. Let me show you what I'm talking about, the data that I got to put into my computer every day to follow up with these jobs, these potential jobs, to convert them to jobs. So here we are on Angie Leads. Oh, look, 5-star member. Look at this, 70 reviews or 72 reviews. Boy, we must be good. Oh, anyway, that's not what I wanted to talk to you about. Anyway, going over to the home page, clicking on Lead Center, going to Active Leads. This is where we have listed all the different people that have contacted Home, well, not Home Advisor, but Angie Leads with interest in something computer related that they needed service with. Over to the right, we see the person's name, their phone number, email address. Over here is where I can text them a message. There's their home address here. If you click on messages, when I fill it out, this is the message that goes to this potential customer. So every time a lead comes in, I have to navigate my way into Angie Leads. I've got to navigate to the person. I've got to come into here. I've got to type all this message out, and then I've got to send it. Now, in addition to that, I want to add the person's name to our personal database. We have a CRM, a contact management program that we use. And this is it. So next, I have to log into here. And all that information has to be input into this database. So I would go to all, I would go to leads, go to create new lead, put in the first name, last name, you get the idea, the address, city, state, postal, country, email address. I got to put the status. It's a new lead source. It's coming from Home Advisor. Well, still called Home Advisor in this database. And whoever it's assigned to, and then I click Save. Now, within this program, I do have an automation set so that it does send out an email to the customer right away as soon as this is saved. So that is some of the physical work that is taken care of already. Let me show you an example of one of these emails that are sent out. And let's see, getting it from my email. Here we go. Here's an example of one of them right now. So of course we don't want to type all this stuff manually every time. And it would be nice if it was automated by sending also showing the person's name, first name, last name, and the information you want in the message body. So once this is done, I have the potential customers' information in our database that I can refer to later. I can convert it to an account once it is a customer that calls me back or I call them and they want the work. And I can send future messages to them through the database. But the problem is this takes a good 10 minutes or so from beginning to end to do each and every one of them. And if I don't do them right away, let's say I'm out on the road, or if I task this to someone to have done, if they're busy with something else, then there's a delay in response, so the customer not be reached right away. And or even if it's overnight, what if it's something that happens at 1 o'clock in the morning? Then they're not getting this because I don't have anyone working at 1 in the morning to fill out this information. So what I need to do is to have this automated. So I'm going to quickly just show you, I'm going to cut right to it and show you what I have and just click a button and show you how the whole automated process of how it does everything automatically. So what you're looking at right now is a virtual machine that I have set up that I leave running 24/7. And through my email, you see, Angie Ads also sends me an email whenever a lead comes through. So I have this set so I don't have to even push a button to get the whole process started. When the email comes in, it automatically triggers the automation, and all of the steps are taken to fill out all the information I just showed you. So instead of talking about it all this bunch more, let me just show you how that works. I'll just show you by clicking this one button here manually, and then the next one that pops up, and you can see the whole process. And watch. So first it's going to go to the Angie page, and it is going to log in. See, I'm not touching anything now. It's got my phone number, which is my account name, the password, automatically kicks on the login. It's going to take this information, download an Excel database that it's attached to, plug in all the information on it, and put it in. Then it's going to put out the message, right, that I showed you before that goes to the customer, which is this part right here. And there it is. Oops, they're going to get it twice. I hope they don't call me and get upset. So anyway, now it's going to my Suite CRM database, which is my contact management software, and it's going to fill out all the information there. It's going to put in the first name, the last name, the address, the city, the state, the zip code. It's putting in the email address, the phone number, all this stuff faster than I could ever do it manually, and I haven't touched a single button. It goes out, and then through the automation of the CRM kicks out that letter that I just showed you as an example. So that's really it. That's the whole 9 yards. What more can I tell you? It's the automation that is very, very important. These tasks, these redundant tasks that either you're doing yourself, like I had to do, or you job it out to one of your staff members, your employees, whatever. I know for some people, some of the clients that we're doing this for, it's saving them as much as a couple of hours of labor every day. Anyway, if you need some help on automation, if you want to know how this could be done for your company to start automation for some tasks that you've been doing, just give me a call and I'll be happy to help you out with it. That's what we do.